At the Porsche plant in Leipzig, advanced technology meets human expertise to ensure that every vehicle rolling off the production line is finished to perfection. While robots have long been used in the automotive industry to apply paint, recent innovations have streamlined the inspection process, combining efficiency with precision. Traditionally, detecting paint imperfections required manual inspections. Although effective, this method was time-consuming and prone to the natural risk of human oversight. Porsche has revolutionized this process by incorporating an automated defect detection system that complements the skilled workforce. In the inspection area, two specialized robot arms meticulously examine the outer surfaces of every vehicle produced in Leipzig. These robots, equipped with high-powered sensors, capture an image every 2.5 millimeters, creating an astonishing 100,000 images during a 72-second inspection cycle. The data is then analyzed by a network of 10 advanced image processing computers. This system identifies even the smallest imperfections, such as pinholes, dust particles, and craters, with unmatched accuracy. When a defect is detected, its precise location is recorded down to the millimeter. The information is sent to the finishing team, who view a detailed three-dimensional model paired with high-resolution close-ups. This allows them to quickly address the issue with the appropriate corrective technique. Additionally, artificial intelligence and deep learning algorithms track and analyze trends in defect types and locations, enabling the continuous refinement of the painting process. What once was a labor-intensive process now takes less than 100 seconds, combining state-of-the-art automation with human craftsmanship. This harmonious integration ensures that Porsche continues to deliver vehicles that meet the highest quality standards, offering not just cutting-edge technology, but also a human touch that underscores their commitment to excellence.